Do you know that your English can actually shape your personality? Yes, the way you speak English doesn't just show your knowledge, it reflects your confidence, attitude, and character. So, today I'll show you how learning English can actually transform your personality from shy and uncertain to bold, impressive, and unforgettable. So, if you want to improve your English and your overall personality, you are in the right place. Let's begin. Part 1, The Real Secret. Most people think improving personality means wearing stylish clothes or looking good in photos. But real personality starts from your mindset and the way you express yourself. You can wear the most expensive outfit, but if you can't express your thoughts clearly, people forget you in minutes. However, if you can speak with clarity, emotion, and confidence, you stand out. And that's where English helps, because English is not just a language, it's a bridge to global communication. So let's understand how English can actually enhance different layers of your personality. Part 2. Confidence through communication. When you speak fluent English, you automatically gain self-confidence. Think about it, you don't feel scared while talking to people. You don't hesitate in meetings, and you can express your ideas better. I'll tell you a story. There was a guy named Rohit. He was brilliant in his work, but always stayed quiet because his English was not strong. He decided to practice 10 minutes daily by watching English podcasts and speaking in front of a mirror. Within 3 months, people started noticing him. His ideas got attention, his boss appreciated him, and his confidence skyrocketed. That's the power of communication, confidence, and it begins when you stop being afraid of English. Part 3, Vocabulary and Expression. To improve your personality, you must improve the way you express your thoughts. It's not about using big words, it's about using the right words. Instead of saying I am angry, say I am frustrated. Instead of I am happy, say I am delighted. Instead of I don't like it, say I am not a fan of it. These small changes make your speech sound more polished and emotionally intelligent. Remember, vocabulary is like your wardrobe. The more variety you have, the better you can dress your thoughts. Part 4, Body Language plus Tone. Your words matter, but your tone and body language make them powerful. When you speak English, smile slightly, keep your posture straight, don't rush your words, speak slowly with confidence. It shows you are in control, and that's attractive. Personality is not about being loud, it's about being calm, clear, and confident. Part 5, Continuous Improvement. Now, here's the truth. No one is born confident. Confidence grows with practice. So if you want to improve your personality through English, speak every day, even if it's just to yourself. Listen to native speakers, copy their tone and rhythm. Read aloud. It builds pronunciation and clarity. And learn one new word every day. That's how your vocabulary and confidence grow together. Personality is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. So now you know learning English isn't just about grammar or exams. It's about becoming a version of yourself that can inspire, express, and influence. Start today, one sentence, one word, one conversation at a time. And trust me, 6 months from now, people won't just say you speak good English. They will say, wow, you changed. If you found this helpful, hit the button, share it with a friend who wants to grow, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on English plus personality development.